it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I have got a new collection here that you guys have probably seen at this point in the Facebook group or on Instagram. I got a lot of positive feedback about this kit, so I'm really excited for it. And then I've got a bunch of new functional items that were kind of just like I don't know, I just had a moment where I was like, you know, I want to add in some more like non-foil functional stuff to the shop, just some fun things. And you guys can let me know if you do or don't like them, if you want to see more of this type of thing. It's definitely something I can work on, but we will get to those in a second. Let's get started with the new collection. So yeah, this collection is called Honey, and you guys, I am in love. Let me zoom you guys a bit. Okay, so I do have my overhead light turned off, so I think you guys will be able to see decently well. This is your full box sheet, and I'm just gonna kind of show you some close-ups of the foiling. So you've got the bow here. These little honeybees are kind of like throughout. You've got this one like more dramatic foil box with the bee and the florals. This floral right here, and then the little honeybee over here. I just love this. I started playing around with this artwork not knowing if I was gonna use it or not, and then once I got going with it and like started adding in all of the foil elements, it's quickly become one of my favorites. I am just in love with how this turned out. So that is your full box sheet, but I think what really like takes it to the next level for me is the bottom washi sheet. Look at that foil, you guys. So if you can see, it's florals, but they also have the little bees just kind of like zooming around within the florals, and I love it. I love it so much, and the feedback that I've gotten from you guys on Facebook and Instagram, thank you so much. It seems like everybody else really likes it a lot as well. So that's always super exciting when you get that good feedback about something that you've been working on. That always makes me feel really good as a shop owner. I'm sure it always makes other shop owners feel really good as well. So yeah, that is the two foiled sheets of the kit, and then the first one that I've got here for some reason is just the mini version of the kit. And you know what, you guys, I just realized I didn't print out the middle sheet for these kits, so I'm gonna go do that really quickly and I will be right back. Okay guys, I don't know what I was doing, I just was not thinking at all. So back to, for the mini kit, this is your foiled full box sheet, which is the same in all the kits, your foiled bottom washi sheet, and then your next sheet here would be your icons, your scripts, your heart checklist, and then your heart checklist boxes over here to the side. Next is your appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, eighth boxes. And I love these colors a lot as well. I just think they're super fun and spring-like. So if you guys would like to see a colorway with these, let me know. Also, I did not print out the bow headers for this collection, but they will be available. So this sheet has got your little things, your washi. I did some solid washi and then some of the wood pattern that was in the full boxes, and then your glitter headers. And that is it for the mini version of the kit. So the next one that I've got here is the deluxe version of the kit. So you do have those same full boxes, and then your next sheet, you've got some checklists, your date numbers, your icons, your scripts, and your movie marquee. Next sheet is the same as the mini kit, so you've got your flags, your quarter boxes, and your half boxes. Next sheet is also the same as the mini kit, so you have your little things, your washi, and your glitter headers. Next is your ombre heart checklist, your flags, your daily trackers, and then down here you've got one of the 3 heart checklist and 2 of the 2 heart checklist. And then your last sheet has got that same date covers bottom washi. The only difference is you've got 3 of these up here instead of the 1 and then the daily trackers, and then you've got your weekly tracker over here. So that was mini and deluxe. And then we do have B6. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on how B6 does. The reason that I got rid of these to begin with was because we just weren't selling enough of them for it to warrant me like putting them into designing them every single week. So last week, I believe, is the first week that we brought them back. And we sold a decent number of them, but in comparison to how many still of the micro and the mini we sold, I just don't know that I think that they're necessary. I know that the only like real difference, I guess, is your washi sizing, but if you did the mini kit or even it doesn't really matter which one, and you were wanting to put this into a print impression, you could always just trim your bottom washi, which I know that some people, that is what they do. I don't know, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it, and I'll just kind of see, like, if sales on these start dropping off again pretty drastically, then we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of them again. It is a 4-page kit versus a 5-page kit, but just looking at like the numbers from last week, it still seems like mini and micro are the majority of what's selling. Anyway, just putting that out there. So for B6, your full boxes are exactly the same. Your next sheet, you've got some work labels, some heart checklist, your icons, and your scripts. Next sheet, you've got some little things. You've got 8 of the bow headers. You've got some appointment labels, and then some quarter boxes and some 1/8 boxes. And then your next sheet has got your washi strips. So these are just solid with the bows. And then you've got one of the foiled boxes up here, 2 of the daily trackers, a weekly tracker, washi, and then I don't know if I said date covers or not yet. So there is that. That was the B6 kit. And that's another thing too, is it makes it, when I like add B6 in with all of the micro and the deluxe and the mini, it's like, it's just so much, like it's so many options. So let's move on to micro really quickly. So I did 3 micro kits this week because I just could not make up my mind on what I wanted. And then we do also have full boxes available a la carte as well. So I'm gonna just kind of lay out your 3 options, and I'm sorry, I'm about to start like having a coughing fit. I can already feel it. Has anybody else's allergies already started acting up? Isn't it still like too early in the winter for that? Okay, so 1, 2, and 3, and then this is your second page. This will be the same in all of these. I think I forgot to mention last week, from Friday until like Monday morning, the micro kits are at a special price of $6. After that, they go back up to $8.50. That is just for the new ones. And then coupon codes won't work on them since they're already discounted like that, but that is still happening. So this is your second sheet. This is the same for all of these. You've got your 3-heart checklist, weekly tracker, daily trackers, little things. You have got some washi and then some boxes. And then for these, I'll start with the first one and then show you guys. So you've got 2 full boxes here. Date covers, heart checklist, flags, 8 of the bow headers, and then foiled boxes right here. So for Honey 1, I did the bee with the florals as well as this flower, and it says be kind, and it's got the little foiled bow. For the second one, I did the, just kind of like the little bees. I thought this was super cute. So I did the sunflowers that had the bees, as well as this jar that says honey that has the florals and the bee. I thought that was really cute. And then for the third one, I did the honeycomb with the bee, as well as this bouquet with the flower, or the like leaves coming off. I just couldn't make up my mind, so I went ahead and did 3. I am trying to cut it back though, so that I'm only doing 2 for a collection if I just can't decide. But with this one, I just love it so much. But yeah, so you guys let me know though, do you want to see a full colorway for this? I think that it would be really pretty for spring. I think they're really beautiful colors. And yeah. Okay, so let's move on to these functional items. Okay, so first thing is a set of FlatLays. So I've got, let's see, I believe 8. Yeah, I should have 8 of these here. And yeah, I don't know, I wanted to put some new stuff into the shop. So the very first one that I have here is just a desktop. You've got your laptop, your phone, your coffee, Post-it notes, and then just like some documents. I thought that was really cute. Also, all of these are sized like right at 1.5 or just a smidge under, so that they will fit across like an EC sized half box. And then this is actually not the one to show you guys on, but they are cut around. Let me get to one that has like a more drastic, here we go. So this is the cooking one. And I like that it's all like vegetables, so I can actually use it. So you can see for this one, like it'll go up where that board comes up. So they're not just like a square or like a rectangle, not even really a rectangle. I guess a rectangle with rounded edges. They're not like that. They actually are cut around. So you can see the bottom of the board comes down, top of the board comes down. Desk, working desk, I don't know what I'm gonna call this one yet. Sheet, and then your second sheet here is your cooking sheet. I just thought that maybe I should bundle these. I probably won't. You guys can let me know in the comments if you want a bundle of all of them, but because they're all so different, I just don't know if that's something anybody's gonna want. Next is your reading sheet. I am obsessed with this. So you've got your books, your glasses, your phone, your coffee, or your tea. Love that. I think this is super cute for like a little me time. I love to read before I go to bed. Problem is it ends up turning into me staying up like all night. But yeah, so that is the reading sheet. The next one is a baking sheet. Super, super cute. So you've got your icing, your oven mitt, and then like your dough, your cookie dough that you're making little shapes out of. Just really cute. So there's that one. Next one is cleaning. I really like this. And also, let me mention, all of these had different colors. I did pink for pretty much all of it. There are like 1,000 other color options though. If there's any of these you'd like to see done in a different colorway, you can let me know. I'm not gonna do all of them because it would just be insanity. But I did choose some that were a bit more neutral in here. You'll see them in just a second. But so yeah, this is the cleaning sheet. You've got your gloves, your like spray bottles, dishwasher, detergent. You've got like a sweeping pan, a bucket, just really cute. Next is a sick day sheet. So you've got just a blanket, tissues, honey, a thermometer, some pills, and then a like tea with a lemon in it. I thought this one was really adorable. Next is a Hobonichi Weeks sheet slash like layout. Doesn't necessarily need to even be Hobo Weeks, but you can definitely tell if my camera would focus. The planner layout itself looks very Hobo Weeks-ish, but I think it would work for any kind of planner or any TN, and I think it's super cute that there's stickers and washi tape, post-it notes, and clips and everything. I think it's just really adorable. So that one is the Hobo Weeks, although I don't know what I'm gonna call that one either. I've not really decided yet. And then your last one here that I have is the just like ring bound planner, I guess. So this one is just the rings, washi tape, post-its, just super cute. So I really like all of these. I thought that they were really adorable. I've been really enjoying, how many times can I say really in what sense? I've been really enjoying using FlatLays in my spreads. So it was something that I figure like, let's go ahead and add some in because I don't have anything for like the cooking or the cleaning, the baking, that kind of stuff. Everything that I have is a little bit more planner related. So yeah, those are the FlatLays. Again, you guys let me know. There are other color options that can happen, or if there's anything else you're kind of looking for in a FlatLay, let me know that as well. And then the next thing that I've got here are some like chibi girls. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know what I want to call these yet. I honestly don't have any idea. Chibi is, I think, just the name of like the style of artwork. I tried to think of something cute. I've not done the listings yet, so maybe by then I will. But if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. They do all have names. You guys can thank my PR girl Bianca for that because I couldn't even do it. Okay, so let me just kind of, here we go. First one that I've got here is Courtney. And I'm just gonna try to hold them kind of like up side by side for a second. The second option that we have here is Stephanie. Next option is Samantha. And then the last option is Brittany. So you guys can see, we've got two lighter skin tones that both have different hair colors, and then a medium skin tone, and then a deeper skin tone. So these are the 4 options for the girls right now, and this particular sheet is the money sheet. So you've got the money bags, paying bills at the computer, hugging these dollars, and then you've got the girl here with the bill in her hand. So next sheet that I'm just gonna try to get through these somewhat quickly because my camera battery is dying. Next sheet that I've got here is a shopping sheet. So you've got grocery shopping up top and then the bags at the bottom, and then it just repeats. So for each of these, we will have all 4 options available. And also, if you guys want to see more of these, let me know too, because there's a ton of options. There is a different cleaning sheet that I will definitely be adding probably next week. So next is laundry. So you've got the cute laundry on the line as well as the basket, and then you've got the actual washer. So that repeats as well. I thought that these were super cute, and I'm really excited for this. You guys know I love my cleaning stickers. And then next is the shop owner sheet. I don't know if this was necessary. I wanted it for myself. So we've got printing up top, throwing the silhouette down here, packaging orders, cutting, and then mailing. And again, I thought they were really cute, so I wanted to go ahead and add them to the shop. I don't know if anybody else wants these, like if anybody else is gonna buy them, but since I was making them for me anyway, I figured I'd add them in. But yeah, so that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love everything. Let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.